This can only go either bad or very bad.
Oh, on the Boris bike hype.
They not when you turn.
That was so rock and roll, I never wanted to know like that. Who is from London? Who's from Scotland? Ross is contemplating taking off all his clothes. He said if you were loud enough there he was going to do it, but that wasn't quite loud enough. This could be a moment. I feel like this is a special moment. You should say whatever it is that's in your mind. Here we go. Welcome to the Daddy Show. I was hoping the mic was going to be off.
It's on. It's on.
Sometimes you speak words of wisdom.
Occasionally.
He's panicking. His guitar doesn't sound perfecty. That's Scottish for perfect. But we know that there's a lot of people that travel to see us, and that's why we put this thing on for everyone today, so that we can play the extra songs that we aren't playing tonight for you just now. So that's the truth of it all. We'll play the songs that aren't on the set list tonight for you. Basically, people have no idea what's going on. And if you feel like that, welcome. Welcome. Cherry Slut.
Oh, great thanks!
Fuck, we can't play any of these songs.
I know. See, we're limited to what we can play. Cellmate. I wish I could sing that live and we would play Cellmate. The reason we're not playing it in this set is because I didn't think that went through with how high the singing is. I've got no idea what we're doing. Welcome. Well, I'm just going to keep saying welcome. Welcome. Oh, we can do that. That was a great last minute shout. I'm really glad you came. Is it you up there with the phone? Thank fuck. Yeah, we can do that.
Everyone give it up for Craig Neal on the drums.
Yeah.
I'll take the hit for that, sorry Craig.
Let's try again.
I couldn't have been less prepared to play that song. Thank you. Thank you.
This is like a rehearsal. This is fucking great. We should do more of these. more because we're fucking the good guys.
Audience and audio!
Can you hear me? And there's anybody out there for me?
That's all I know. And that's the most we've played of that in about 6 years.
You have to stop talking about yourself, about yourself. Your lies are loose. There's no excuse. There's no excuse. There's no excuse.
That's all I've got. Again, I'm even fucking surprised that I knew that. I know. Hopefully we want Bear Man. Okay.
Yes!
There you go. Happy fucking man. It's very strange this. We've never done this before. I quite enjoy it though. It's like a practice where I actually have people who maybe make noise after I say something funny, because at our other practices I always do this stuff anyway and they just fucking ignore me. And I add in things into songs like, "Let me hear you scream!" And there's just nothing. So, we'll be doing more of this for my ego. Because that can get bigger, believe it or not. I thought you said you're shite. If you did, that's great. You're shite! Shit. You're fucking shite!
Because I heard the one voice, and for my next trick, I hear
thanks for coming down. Today it's a special day for our band. It's been a long journey to get to play this legendary venue, and we've shared so much with all our fans at every step along the way, and that's why we wanted to have you down here today to experience the whole thing with us. So thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.